Can you get your phone out of my face? If you want to record me, that's fine, but I don't want it in my face. You got your license, registration, insurance? I need to talk to her, but you have committed a traffic infraction because your left brake light is out. So that is the reason to pull you over. So I'm going to ask you one more time, give me your license, registration, insurance, I'm going to pull you out of this car. So you were driving that car and you ain't got a license?
No, I wasn't driving.
Yes, you were. I said, would you pass me?
Then why didn't you pull her over?
Something on jailhouse lawyer or something?
No, I'm just somebody that likes the Constitution. What are you, a tyrant?
No.
I just want to pull my hair out, man.
Do you remember swearing an oath to the Constitution?
I mean, yes, I was driving no license.
I know, I seen you.
Okay, well, I'm telling the truth.
Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, we're about to witness a masterclass in police theatrics where a simple broken brake light magically transforms into an excuse to rummage through a car, fire off pointless questions, and pressure a citizen into submission. All because they ran into someone who actually knows the Constitution and isn't afraid to say it out loud. And now let's take a look at how these so-called law experts managed to expose themselves completely from contradicting their own statements to interrogating people like they're auditioning for a crime drama. But before we dive in, don't forget to like the video and leave a comment sharing your thoughts on this painfully hilarious interaction.
What you got going on?
Nothing, your left brake light's out. That's why I pulled you over. And you can't just leave your car on the side of the road.
I have to go get toe dollies.
Okay, that tag comes back. Can you get your phone out of my face? If you want to record me, that's fine, but I don't want it in my face. You got your license, registration, insurance?
Who, me?
What, over, you said, what was
your left brake light, your third one works and your right one works, your left one.
You wouldn't have known that if you didn't pull me over. What was your reason for the blue light to be turned on?
One, the brake light, and two, I needed to speak to her about her vehicle. That the tag doesn't come out of that
That
vehicle.
doesn't give you a right to pull
Jamie,
me
I need
over.
you to
Was
call
she
me,
suspended? Is she suspected of committing a crime?
Jamie.
Well, no, I need to talk to her, but you have committed a traffic infraction because your left brake light is out. So that is the reason to pull you over. So I'm going to ask you one more time, give me your license, registration, insurance, I'm going to pull you out of this car.
Brody Pitts, I think.
I don't have it, luckily.
Yes.
Oh, wait, yeah,
So, can I step out of the car?
In just a second.
Okay. Hold on, Jamie.
I just got a phone call from a friend.
What's that?
What's what?
That bag.
Nothing. Go ahead. You're all on camera.
Oh, my God.
Well, that's good. I'm recording too.
Good.
Your
I
license is there?
want you to go through it.
So,
You want me to get your ID
So,
out?
I was at my boss's house, right? Because I take care of her aunt.
You done
his
plundering,
aunt.
kid? Are you done
And,
plundering? You feel
and,
stupid yet?
No,
Maybe?
stop.
You don't?
So, anyhow.
Because you sure look it.
Where's your
Let's-
license at?
I didn't bring them with me. They're in my other vehicle. Write me a ticket and I'll be on my way. All right?
Okay, well, what's your name and date of birth?
David Hammond.
Are you there?
February 3rd.
What's your name?
Michelle
Michelle what?
Elgin.
Was that guy that was walking down Highway 59, was he with you?
No.
Okay. So, what piqued my interest with you to begin with is I turned around on your vehicle, you were going back towards Jim's auto, and then you disappeared on me.
No, I
then you
didn't
were
disappear.
up there.
The whole total car just, I mean, I'll crank it up and you can hear it.
Yeah, but you were going the opposite way I was going, and when I turned around, you were nowhere to be found. I come back.
Because I turned into the thing because my whole total motor blowed.
That's all
I
you
turned
have to
around,
say.
I seen you
Michelle,
whenever
that's
you
all you have
passed.
to
You
say.
got your ID with you?
Yes.
That's it, please.
What do you need her
I mean, my
ID
whole
for?
car is messed up.
Okay. So you were driving that car and you ain't got a license?
No, I wasn't driving.
Yes, you were. I said, would you pass me?
Then why didn't you pull her over?
Because she was parked and out of it by the time I got over there.
Well, then you
what are you,
didn't-
something on jailhouse lawyer or something?
No, I'm just somebody that likes the Constitution. What are you, a tyrant?
No.
I just want to
Yeah,
pull
do you
my
remember
hair out,
swearing?
man.
Do you remember swearing an oath to the Constitution?
I do. Are you
That's
considering
good.
me a road pirate too, I guess?
I don't know what you call
What's a
yourself.
road pirate?
I know that your sheriff likes hiring pedophiles.
This is not funny, Jamie.
Okay.
I know that. You remember the one that just was at the school resource officer?
Huh?
You remember the school resource officer up at Fair Oaks?
That was before my time.
Oh,
Can-
okay. Well, I'm sure
Can me
he's
and
fine.
Mr. B. Pitts get this out of the way, whatever he's going to do.
Now, what was your name again, sir?
David Hammond.
Don't
David
argue with him.
Hammond. Spell your last name.
Hammond.
And your date of birth?
February 3rd, 1973.
73.
Um,
Okay. You got your registration insurance?
So whenever Mr. Pitts will allow me out of the car, I'll talk to you then, Jamie.
There's two names under there. Glenda Lindsay and David Hammond.
Okay.
And the registration's the license plate.
You don't have your registration card?
I'm sure I do, but I'm not going to dig it out for you.
Okay.
You can run the license plate.
Well, you're required to give it to me when I request it.
Okay, well, you can run the license plate.
Okay.
Mr. Pitts, may I talk to you?
You need to talk to me?
Yeah, I mean, ain't nothing bad.
Yeah, come on back here.
Ain't nothing bad. Just keep the recording on.
What are you gonna talk to him about?
I mean, he wants to talk to me about my car.
Girl, you don't have to say anything. You don't
I
have to get out the
but
car
I'm
or
not
anything.
gonna be right. But
If you ain't got an 8-year degree in law, I would suggest not talking to any police officer. Do I? No, I got a camera for my lawyer when she sees it.
you know my Uncle Jamie.
Is that
Jamie, Hans.
okay? Are you wanting to talk to me, or you want your attorney over here to talk to me?
Who?
Well, you said you wanted to talk to me, but he's keeping you from talking to me. Are you want to get out and talk to me, or?
I mean, yes, I was driving no license.
I know, I seen you.
Okay, well, I'm telling the truth. I mean, you seen me, but you did not pull me over doing it, though.
Yeah, 'cause you got out.
You just
No,
told
my
him.
car really tore up. Like, I'll go crank it up, and you can see for yourself. Like, I have no reason to lie to you.
You got any warrants or anything?
No.
I'll do what you just say.
Michelle, why would you tell him that you were driving?
Because he
darling?
done see me. I ain't gonna lie to
You
him.
don't have to admit
Listen,
to it.
I know, but I'm not
That's
gonna lie.
just
But I'm not
stupid.
gonna lie to him either.
And there you have it, another shining example of how a routine traffic stop can spiral into a circus the moment authority meets accountability. Instead of focusing on true public safety, we watched officers stretch a minor infraction into a full-blown interrogation, grasping for control they never had in the first place. But what truly stood out is how quickly their confidence cracked the moment someone pushed back with facts, rights, and a camera. If this interaction showed anything, it's that knowing your rights isn't optional, it's essential. Because clearly, some officers are hoping you don't. Let me know what you think. Were these officers genuinely doing their job, or were they fishing for something that simply wasn't there? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to see more breakdowns of encounters like this, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next one.